Grace and peace be multiplied unto you. We are still on geometry and measurements. Today we are going to talk about area. How to find the area of a square in a rectangle. So find the area of a square in a rectangle. One side of a square is called length. As you can see in figure 1.1, one side of a square is called length. Note, the sides of the square are equal, which means a square has its all sides to be equal. From the above, the area of a square can be given as length times length, which is equal to L times L. So to find the area of a square, you multiply length by length, okay? Because one side of a square is called what? Length. And the sides of a square are all what? Equal. So if all the sides are equal, that means all is length. Okay, so to find the area of a square, the formula given is length times length. Let's take the example below. It says find the area of a square with the sides 6 centimeters. Find the area of a square with the sides 6 centimeters. So to work it out, area of a square is equal to length times length. And we know the length for one side is what? 6 centimeters. So you multiply 6 by 6, which gives you 36 centimeters. But you have to know that it's 4 what? Sides, or it's because the square is equal, it's 4 in number. The square has 4 lines, okay? So we just use 2 lines to find the area, which is 6 times 6, gives us 36. So we put square on top of the answer, because when you put square on top of the answer, that means you are multiplying to all the 4 sides, but you just use 2 sides and wrote the answer, and you put your square on it to represent the other 2. Now let's look at the area of rectangle using the formula. A rectangle is a shape which has a breadth and length, which is used to find its area. So figure 1.3, you can see the breadth, you can see the length. From the above, the area of a rectangle can be given as length times breadth. Length times breadth. So let's take the example below. It says find the area of rectangle with length 2 cm and breadth 8 cm. Okay. So area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. You know the length is 2 centimeters and the breadth is 8 centimeters. So 8 times 2 is equal to 16 centimeters. But the other 2 sides were not given. So you put your square on top of the answer, which represents the other 2 sides. An assignment will be sent to you. Try as much as possible to do it and submit it on time. Stay home, stay safe, and be blessed.